Just jack it up there. Are they ready? I'll crack these off. Oh, wait. Wait. Should have caps on these ones. Caps off. Jack it up down, then we can take the wheel all the way off. I did just use a normal impact driver, I do. I don't own an impact wrench. Crack them off with the power bar. With the wheel under the car. For our safety precautions. Very good. So here's the anti-roll bar linkage. It's a nut at the top and a nut at the bottom. We're going to go ahead now, apply some, I've applied a little bit, but I'm going to apply a little bit more of WD-40. Give it a wire brush, and then we're going to crack them off. Right then, and now we'll see if we can crack them off with my impact. There's one cracked off. Now unfortunately for the bottom one, can't get the impact in there. So we got to use our 1/2-inch ratchet. Not with that socket, we need the deep. A little bit more difficult this side than the other side. Right then, let me go and have a look at my spanners and we come back. Right, so now we're going to release the bottom one. I've had to put some more grips on it because the whole ball joint is spinning down here. So I've put some grips on it just to stop everything else spinning and allow the nut to come off. The ratchet wasn't very clever down here, so I've gone to a ratchet spanner. As you can see, that's cracked off. I can now undo it by hand. And that's one. And then the top one right here. And that's it loose. Now we're going to put a little bit of pressure underneath here with a jack to take the pressure off this. And then we can pop it out of this hole and this hole down here. We're going to jack up on the lower arm here now to take the pressure off this, and then that way we should be able to just release it. So if you come and look under here, we're just going to put it onto the lower arm here and jack it up. I'll just lower my jack a bit, you can get under it. Just right on it, and we're going to jack right there, and then if you come and look in here, so this bar here, now I'm jacking it up. I'm slowly releasing the pressure off that bar, which should allow me to just pop it out at some point, like so, like that. And then we cut this here. We'll get our new part, and we always double check we got the right parts. As you can see, me looking good. This side's not really too bad, to be honest. It was the other side that was a really bad problem. I can show you that track rod end. So now we've taken the old one off, we are going to put the new one in. I'm gonna slot the top in, and again, I've still got the jack underneath it, allowing this pressure so we can just slide straight in. We're gonna take the nut to the top and screw that as far as we can by hand. And do the same for the bottom. Try and come in this way so the camera can still see it. Now, with these, the ball exactly like the other ones, they can start spinning. Like that, as you can see, the whole thing is spinning. So what you've got to do, I'll show you on this top one actually, so you can see better. So what you got to do is because we can get the impact on this one, I'll do it as tight as I can with the impact. Well, I won't show you on that one because that one didn't spin. So we will show you on the bottom one. So we need a 7mm socket. I'll demonstrate it. It goes over the top, like that. So that holds the thread steady while you're spinning the nut. So I'm going to go ahead and do that down here, if I can. And then you've got to keep your pressure on this one and tighten. Get it nice and tight. And when it's tight, you can take that 7mm off. Just give that a good push. Bring that down below that arm. No, I can't. So tight spaces, but this is real world. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's just tight. So that's a complete track rod, anti-roll bar linkage. Sorry guys, I keep on saying track rod end. That's your nice new one. Make sure everything's tight. Very good. Just double check this top one's not nice and tight. Yep, she is. So, and that's how you change an anti-roll bar linkage on a Vauxhall Adam. Please like, comment and subscribe guys. Thank you.